Chrome won't open in Windows 10 or 11 fix. Sometimes, no matter how many times you press in Google Chrome, it's not opening at all. And sometimes, after a while, it will open all of the many tabs of Google Chromes at once. So, the issue this could be happening is because Chrome might already be running in the background even if you close that. Now, to check this, from the bottom right of the Task Manager, just right click on it and go to Task Manager option. When you go to Task Manager, you'll find different Task Manager, but you have to look for chrome.exe. So if Chrome is still running in the background, so let me open Chrome and come in the background, it will show chrome.exe over here. It might not show up in Google Chrome form here itself, but you might actually see at the bottom chrome.exe. So what you have to do is, if you find Chrome there, right click on it and click on End Task. Once you've ended the task, now you can try to relaunch Chrome and just wait a couple of seconds if it doesn't load, and that should definitely help you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.